Property owners are required to pay property tax on an annual basis. The property tax amount is based on the mill rate and the assessed value of the property. To calculate the property taxes, some municipalities use the formula property tax is equal to the assessed value of the house divided by 1,000 times by the mill rate. So if Charlene paid $1,924.39 in property tax last year, when the mill rate was 4.6038, what is her home's assessed value to the nearest dollar? It may help you to write the formula and put everything that we have in there and just rearrange for what we don't have. So let's take a look at that. Property tax, well, she paid that is $1,924.39 is equal to, well, we don't know what the assessed value is, so I'll just leave that as AV divided by 1,000 times by 4.6038. Now all we need to do is solve for the assessed value. I would get rid of the mill rate first. Since that's being multiplied, divide it to get rid of it. So you're going to divide all of this on this side by 4.6038, and you're going to divide this by 4.6038. And now that you have all that set up, you'll have something like this. We have about 418.00. Leave those decimals for now. Gives you a more accurate answer. On the other side, you have AV over 1,000. Since we're solving for AV, we have to get rid of that 1,000. AV is being divided by 1,000, so you're going to times that by 1,000 in order to get rid of it. When you do that, you have to times the other side by 1,000. When you've got that all sorted out, you have 418.000 ... being multiplied by 1,000 is equal to your assessed value. And your assessed value is going to be about $418,000 for the house. For B, how much does their property tax bill change for the current year if her property is assessed 10% lower and the mill rate increases to 5.2113? Okay, so let's take a look at that. Let's find out what her property tax is going to be. Alright, working this one out, your assessed value is 10% lower. So the assessed value found in A was 418,000. Right? You're going to multiply that by 0.90. The reason being, of course, is 100% of the price of a house is 1. We minus 10%. If that's in the decimal, that's going to be 0.10, and that's going to equal 0.90. Her house is worth 90% of what it was before. You're going to divide all of that by 1,000, just like in the original formula, and times that by the mill rate, which has been increased to 5.2113. And working the top out, you're going to end up with 376,200 divided by 1,000 times by 5.2113. You should get for an answer $1,960, and with rounding it should be about 49 cents. The question asked, how much does her property tax bill change? Well, if you recall, she had paid $1,924.39 last time, so you just subtract the two to find the difference. So $1,960.49 subtract $1,924.39. The change, well, she's going to be paying $36.10 more this time around.